Alright, so I done had this here plug thingy on my diesel all like, and I'm running it down here. Yep, that's a Cummins, alright. That's the best damn sticker you ever see on a truck. And you get this orange cord that comes out of nowhere. Now I hooked that up to my fan before the green one. And it goes right over here. And it's all like, I'll show you how that's all rigged up. Now this orange one goes into this dark green one. As you can tell, it's going all like into here. So, I kind of got this here battery hooked up to give a little bit extra boost because it wasn't all like working. So when I hook this up, I'm going to turn on my fan. Well, I got in the right setting. There it goes. So this is what I did. I done put me a cooler on it, so it was like turbocharged and shit. Now I done put a new exhaust setup on it, and as you can tell, I done hooked me up some new wires and shit. And trying to let you be able to see all this shit. And it's all mint. I hooked it up to the battery. Now I done hooked it up to this here grounding shit. And as you can tell, this shit's legit working. Yeah. Let's see. F1, I guess. Yeah. See, now that's how you turbocharge your computer. Make it all air cooled and shit like. People say, oh, I got like 4 or 5 fans on mine. Well, I got me a big ass fan right here. It only cost me $10 from Walmart. I ain't spending no damn $100-something on other shit. But here's how I secured the here extension cord. Made sure it was all safety, so I like bent it into place and shit, so that way it don't fall out. Now I got jumper cables hooked up to these things, and then those go directly to the computer, right to that there battery. It said 3 volts, so I don't put 12 volts on it. It seems to be working fine. And this is my PC build. Let's see what y'all got.